So we're pretty much done blocking out all our materials and our masks. We need to do one more, which is gonna be the glass material. But since that one's a little bit different, let's go ahead and talk a little bit about how we can get glass in Painter. So we're gonna select our goggles. Then we go to our layers. We're just gonna create a new group like before. Let's call this glass. Mask with the color selection and select our glass. Now in order to make this actually look like glass, we need to go ahead and change some settings up. So I'm gonna go to the settings right here. Then over here you can see ASM Metal Rough. We need to go ahead and change that to something with opacity, the shader. So this is the one that I like to use, PBR Metal Rough with Alpha Blending. So we can click that. That way we're gonna get alpha. Now if we go back to our layers. Actually, first we need to go texture set settings. I'm gonna go to channels and we're gonna need to add a new channel. So we click the plus. Now we go opacity. Once we add that, you will see that we have our opacity right here. So now we can enable opacity. Now if we put this all the way down, you will see that it will become invisible. Now we can get transparency inside the Painter. So in order to make glass, we're just going to go with a very low opacity. And then the roughness, we're going to do all the way down. Like you can see, we get a nice shine on the glass. Maybe a little bit less. Mess around with the opacity. Maybe something like that. And then finally we can also add a little bit of metallic to the glass. And see how that looks. You just want to go back and forth with these values until you get something that you like the look of.